Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Raspberry Pi gaming is probably one of the most versatile and affordable ways to enjoy a wide variety of games, from classic retro titles to modern indie games, and even allows for game development and creating your own custom gaming console. This video will explore the exciting world of Raspberry Pi gaming, covering everything from setting up your Pi for gaming to recommending the best emulators and games to play, and even delve into the possibilities of game development on this amazing little device. Number 5. GeeekPi Retro NES 4 Pi Case. This amazing case transforms your Raspberry Pi from Model B into a classic NES console. It's the perfect way to relive your favorite retro games. It has a classic NES design that will take you back to the golden age of gaming. The nostalgic look will bring a smile to any gamer's face. It features a built-in 3510 fan and heatsinks to keep your Raspberry Pi cool, even during intense gaming sessions. Enjoy hours of uninterrupted gameplay. The included game controllers are compatible with various operating systems, including Windows and Mac OS. Simply plug and play, no extra drivers needed. With this case, you can turn your Raspberry Pi 4B into a retro gaming machine in seconds. Get ready for some serious nostalgia. Visit our website for more information and to purchase your own GeeekPi Retro NES 4 Pi case. Start your retro gaming adventure now. What we like. This case transforms your Raspberry Pi into a classic NES console. Its built-in cooling system ensures smooth gameplay, even during long sessions. If you're a fan of retro aesthetics and ease of use, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. Built this for a friend's daughter, using a Labist's Pi 4 8GB kit as the core. Set it up as a desktop emulator machine and she is quite happy with it. Build quality was nice, not sloppy, and made assembly very simple. Nothing was misaligned, and no mold flash to get in the way either. The Labist's fan is the best thing for the Pi, short of the Ice Tower. Ice Tower won't come close to fitting in this case. The Labist's fan, however, fits comfortably. Number 4. Sonicon RetroPie MicroSD card. This preloaded microSD card transforms your Raspberry Pi into a retro gaming powerhouse. It's packed with thousands of games and ready to play right out of the box. We've handpicked the best games across 28 systems, ensuring compatibility and top performance. Just plug it in and start playing. Enjoy an extensive library of games from classic consoles and arcades. It's the ultimate retro gaming collection. It features a unique retro-themed design, setting it apart from ordinary SD cards. The packaging matches the card style. The Batasura system is incredibly user-friendly. It features autosave, game manuals, and easy searching, no complex setup needed. It includes box art, screenshots, videos, and more for an immersive gaming experience. Everything is organized for easy access. We're a team of passionate gamers offering 24/7 support, a 1-year warranty, free upgrades, and even personalized video guides. What we like. It comes preloaded with thousands of games across many systems. Everything is set up for you, just plug it in and start playing. If you want a massive game library ready to go, this is the SD card for you. What people say. It was plug and play and worked great with all the games I tested. There were over 1,200 games like advertised and the splash art and video for each game really helped find the games I wanted to play. The search feature is fantastic and saves a lot of time and you can add your games to a favorites list. It's basically an entire OS made for retro gaming. The curation done for this card is phenomenal and there was a lot of care taken to make sure things required zero configuration. Even the safe shutdown and reset scripts were evidently installed. The list of games is absolutely enormous, I haven't found one game that's not on here. The videos, thumbnails, controller mappings, and even the original manuals are all here. Number 3. YZTAC RetroPie Raspberry Pi 4. Get ready for a blast from the past. This system brings you the best of retro gaming, all in one convenient package. It's like having a whole arcade at your fingertips. Play your favorite classics from decades of gaming history. It comes preloaded with the latest version of RetroPie and thousands of games. Just plug it in and start playing. Everything you need is included: HDMI cable, power supply, and 2 controllers. It's that simple. With 128 GB of storage, it has room for all your favorite games and more. Enjoy endless hours of retro gaming fun. Let's take a closer look at everything included in this amazing retro gaming system. Prepare to be amazed. What we like. This system boasts an enormous collection of classic games. It's ready to play right out of the box, with everything included. If you want the largest selection of retro games, this is the ultimate option. What people say. The interface is amazing, the game selection is extensive, and the build quality is perfect. Basically every game and system from the SNES and back is on there, limited PS1 Dreamcast games though. It emulates just about every home entertainment system that was out until 2000, maybe even a little after. It's been great to relive games from Atari, Nintendo, Sega and others. There are even a number of arcade games that were only available at the coin-operated arcades. Number 2. Vilros Raspberry Pi 4 Retro Gaming Kit. Get ready for some retro gaming fun. This kit has everything you need to start playing your favorite classic games. It comes with 2 classic SNES-style controllers. These are comfortable and responsive, perfect for hours of gameplay. The included NES-style case is not only stylish but also provides easy access to all the ports. It boasts a Raspberry Pi 4 with 4 GB of RAM, a 64 GB MicroSD card preloaded with an OBS, and other high-quality components. You'll also receive an HDMI cable, power supply, heatsinks, and a quick start guide. Everything is included for a seamless setup. With its easy setup and preloaded software, you'll be playing your favorite retro games in no time. Enjoy! All parts and accessories are covered by Vilros' 1-year satisfaction guarantee, giving you peace of mind. What we like. This kit offers a complete setup with stylish controllers and a classic-looking case. It includes a Raspberry Pi 4 with 4 GB of RAM. If you want a balanced kit with great controllers and a retro look, this is the one for you. What people say. Assembly took about 5 minutes and everything worked great. Everything promised in the kit is present and functional. It comes with everything you need to assemble a game console. Number 1. Vilros Raspberry Pi 4 Retro Gaming Kit. Get ready for a blast from the past. This kit has everything you need to start your retro gaming journey. It comes with 2 classic SNES-style controllers for that authentic retro feel. Enjoy comfortable and responsive gameplay. The included NES-style case is not only stylish but also provides easy access to all the ports. This kit boasts a Raspberry Pi 4 with 8 GB of RAM, ensuring smooth performance. It also includes a 32 GB microSD card preloaded with an OBS, an 8 GB flash drive, and more. Setting it up is a breeze thanks to the Vilros Quick Start Guide. You'll be playing your favorite retro games in no time. All parts are covered by Vilros' 1-year satisfaction guarantee. Enjoy peace of mind with your purchase. What we like. This kit provides the same great retro look and feel, but with double the RAM for enhanced performance. It's perfect for running more demanding games. If you need more power for your retro gaming, this kit is for you. What people say. Assembly took about 5 minutes and everything worked great. Everything promised in the kit is present and functional. It comes with everything you need to assemble a game console. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.